Hey everybody, welcome back to our happy place. My name is C and I am the owner of CLM Custom Designs, and my channel is all things crafting. Today I wanted to bring you an unboxing because I got some new toys and I cannot wait to open them. Full disclosure, I look all kinds of crazy because once I finish this video I am going to finish painting my kitchen. I started before, but I had to just jump in because this has been sitting here since Friday and it has been killing me not to open it. So I just thought now is the time. So again, excuse how I look, focus on what's so let's get to opening. The very first thing that I am going to be opening up is a new printer. It is a white toner printer. So now I will be able to print color designs on any type of fabric, on any color fabric. I have to scoot down so you can see my face. It won't matter because the white toner is awesome. So let's see what all came with it. Not sure what this is, but it looks like some type of, maybe this is like some type of pressing paper, kind of like the butcher block or the Teflon. Not sure. I'll take that out. Looks like this is a toner cartridge, black toner cartridge. Actually kind of dark. Let me turn some light on, some more light. That might be helpful. Okay. Cord. Not a cord. This is the transformer that the machine has to be plugged directly into. And I'm assuming that's because it's so powerful, we're going to blow all the lights out in this joint. Looks like it's some more transfer paper, or film I should say, because what a white toner printer is so that you can do DTF, which is direct to film printing. So you actually print on the film, on part A of the film, and then you marry it to part B on the film, and then you can put that on the shirt. And the printer is in here. So I'm gonna put it down on the floor and then maybe lift it out. Ooh, it is heavy. Pretty. This is actually made by Ricoma. Tilt you down so you can see. Okay. This is actually made by Ricoma. And it's kind of a nice deal because you got the printer, you bought the printer, and you got what's in this box along with it as a bundle deal. So here's the printer. I'm gonna move this out of the way and so that we can unbox the other things, and then we will get everything all hooked up. This is what the printer looks like. Move it over here. Okay, I'm going to take off all the little tape here because it's eventually going to go on my top shelf where my other printers are, and that's kind of high, so I want to make sure that I have all these little pieces taken off before I lift it. And as you know, with any printer, there is tape everywhere. So you just gotta make sure that you get the tape out from every compartment. As you can see inside, it has toner cartridges instead of like inkwell. So each one has the cyan, the magenta, the yellow, and the white. You really don't need the black toner because this is really a white toner printer, so you don't have to use the black toner, although it does come with it in case you want to use it for regular printing, but that's not why I got it. So I'm going to close that. And looks like I got all the tape off. Let's see where I've missed any. It looks like it's something on the, maybe not. I'm not going to pull that off because I'm not sure what that is. Okay, so looks like I've gotten everything. So let's look at these plugs that it came with. Here's the main power source plug. Looks like that's another one, and this just looks like it is a Ethernet, but I'm not going to be using that because mine is going to be wireless. So I am going to plug in the actual power source. Now, I'm not sure why it does not have a manual somewhere, unless I missed it. I need to look in the box again, but I'm sure there's got to be a manual somewhere. Okay guys, it is set up. I have it plugged in. It did not come with any manuals as I thought it was, but there was a video online and I did watch another YouTuber who was also setting it up just to make sure that I got the setup right. So there is the transformer and there is the Ricoma machine. It was set up. I went through the setup process, choosing the language, putting in a Wi-Fi code, all of that. So now it's ready for the paper. You do come with an A and a B paper like we talked about before. The transfer sheet is what you actually print on. So this is what actually goes in the printer. There's a matte side and then there's a shiny glossy side. So you put the glossy side down. Because it's a film, kind of like lamination sticks together. So I would be careful if you were putting in more than one sheet. Kind of just make sure that they're truly separated. I am going to put in one sheet. In, it's ready to go. I have to actually install the software that comes with it, and then I'll be able to print out a design and show you that part, which will probably be tomorrow. But I did kind of want to show you the setup of that, and then, or not then, I should say now, we're going to jump into setting up the new heat press. So let's get on that. Open this up. This, my friends, is a new heat press. And I'm excited because, as you can probably tell from the box, it is much bigger than my previous heat press, which will make pressing larger objects a lot easier. So here's the cord, the owner's manual. Let's see, it is a digital heat press. It automatically opens when the timer is up. Also has a drawer that slides out, so I should not burn these little hands anymore. So, super excited about that. It is huge. It is a 16 by 20 heat press. Now I'm not going to lift it out this box just yet. I'm probably going to have to slice down the sides instead of lifting it straight up. That's probably going to be the easiest way. So let me get this box broken down, and then we'll be able to take a better look at it. Okay, here it is. Here it is, here it is. Of course, I know nothing about it, so I have to read up other than knowing that it's, like I said, electronic and slides out and all of that. So what I need to do is go and create the space for it. Okay, guys, I have finally put it in its place. This baby is huge. Huge. So let's figure out how we can get it working. So according to the menu, we should unscrew this bolt right here. Okay. That's the power switch, but we have to find a plug. Alright guys, so we are going to turn it on. As I mentioned, it is digital, so it's firing up. I'm going to show you the slide out tray, which almost completely clears the top heating mechanism. I'll close it. I'm going to close it down, and then you can watch how it automatically opens when the timer is finished. There you go. It's an automatic. But I'm sure there's a way that if you wanted to open it up before the time was up, you could. Have not explored it to that degree yet. Just kind of wanted to show you guys the setup portion of it. And will, as I mentioned in a later video, not too much later, actually, probably my next video, I will show you a print. I did print out a tester. This is just the sheet that I printed out right here. It says plant-based, but as you can see, it's in multiple colors, which normally I'd have to kind of print individually and piece together using heat transfer, or I'd have to print out on sublimation paper, but here it has printed out all in one color on the transfer sheet. I do have to marry it to the adhesive part because right now it's not adhesive. This is just a print, and then we can press it. But again, I'll go into that in another video because I gotta finish up this kitchen. Hey guys, somehow I lost the footage of my outro, so I am recording this obviously on a different day, as you can see from my outfit. But thanks so much for hanging out with me through this video to watch me unbox my new Ricoma white toner printer, as well as my new heat press. What I'd like for you guys to do is hit that subscribe button. I know you're watching. My analytics is showing me that there are many of you watching, but not pushing that subscribe button. So please just hit that button. It's absolutely free, but it does help out my channel. Also, I want you to hit the notification bell. That way you won't miss any of my content that drops on my channel. There are some exciting things that is happening in March. So make sure you are tuned in so you don't miss any of that. Also, share this video with anyone else you think will enjoy my content and benefit from it. So until I see you guys again, be safe. Bye-bye.